Hi, I'm Underbelly, and you suck at producing. Distortion! Let's get started.
Okay, so check it. Distortion is how you take boring sounds and make them cool again. For example, take this boring ass 808. It's so round and pedestrian. Okay, I want to get a face tattoo, okay? Let's add some gain so we can distort this 808 and make it sound like this. Oh shit. Okay, so a lot of things happen there. First off, if we take a look at the oscilloscope over here, as we turn up the gain knob on our utility, the top and bottom portions of the sine wave are being completely decapitated, resulting in this ugly angular square wave. Now, if we look over in our spectrum analyzer, in addition to our soft, round, fundamental chode, we're also experiencing a series of wrinkly portions of the scrotum in the upper half there. These are harmonic overtones, and they're the reason why this 808 is sounding so nasally. We could have accomplished basically the same thing by going over to our synthesizer and changing the oscillator to a square wave. Very similar sound, perhaps a little bit more wrinkles in the scrotum there. But this is what we call hard clipping, okay? It's pushing the signal on a channel so far past the 0 dB threshold that we're essentially slicing off all the parts of the signal we can't accurately reproduce. Now, here's the thing. If you're over the age of 40, this might be a little extreme for you. How about something a little bit more at your speed? Let's go ahead and enable Ableton's saturator and turn on the soft clipping. Okay, this is much gentler. Okay, something you can handle. So as we turn up the drive on the saturator, notice that instead of completely slicing off the top and bottom portions of the sine wave, they're actually being rounded out in this nice warm sound. Oh, yes. Okay, so that's much more gentle. Now, of course, if you wanted to reconnect with your youth, you could always change it to the digital clip there. Okay, now we're back to that square wave territory. Okay, now I really want to get a face tattoo. Okay, so that's the saturator, but there's many distortion options inside of Ableton. For example, we also have the overdrive, which features a built-in notch filter to really take that 808 and makes it nice and crunchy. Oh, okay, now we're okay. So I don't even know what that is anymore. Okay, maybe in addition to the overdrive, we could also have, say, the dynamic tube. Once again, this is another old person's plugin. I don't really use this one. My new favorite in terms of distortion in Ableton has been the pedal. Now, this emulates a guitar stomp box. As we turn up the gain, even more distortion is happening. Okay, now we're really getting somewhere. And now, in addition to just the regular old gain knob, we can actually affect the different frequency bands of this 808. Oh shit! Okay, now I'm really looking forward to that. Turn it on to fuzz. Oh shit! Okay, more bass. Oh, oh shit! All right. Okay, now in addition to that, what if I wanted some distortion, but in addition to an individual track, I also wanted to put it on the master. And now Ableton Live 10's drum bus is actually a great resource for this. If I turn the distortion plug to hard and turn the drive all the way up, in addition to distorting my 808, oh shit, we can also distort my drums over here.
Okay, so check it. If you're still having trouble with distortion, it might be time to sign up for a private lesson by hitting the link in the video description below. Also, be sure to join my Discord and subreddit, and be sure to subscribe, you dingus. I'm Underbelly. See you soon.